This is a building that houses the ancient historical artifact of Katsina Emirate in northwestern Nigeria. And it is a branch of the country's National Museum. This is part of the skeleton of a late Katsina queen who died about 1,200 years ago. A portrait of late Muhammad Dikko in his royal chair when he took the mantle as Emir of Katsina in the year 1906.
Follow us at these platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.